I met Deborah about 23 years ago. She was a stylist in the salon that I often visited. And to this day, I am still one of her clients. She created this atmosphere that made it upscale. It was warm and fuzzy and, hey, I'm here to serve you. And you can tell just by the conversation that she really cared about you genuinely and wanted to know how things are going in your life.
She's not only a cosmetologist, she's a psychologist. She's a chef. She carries so many hats because a lot of people, when they get in her chair, they have issues, and my aunt is there to help them solve their problems. She had a client that her client's husband was ill, and she not only was taking them food to the nursing facility, she would shave and cut the husband's hair. And I was just like, wow, she really does care about these people.
She's always smiling, always thinking very positive, always there to help, whether it be mentor, fellow stylists, young people, or even people of her own peers.
She was that aunt that allowed you to drive her car. She did your hair. She gave you money. She just pretty much let us do a lot of things that we probably shouldn't have been doing.
I admire her leadership skills, her drive, her ability to take care of her friends and family, and be there in times of need, her wisdom and intelligence, and she's also a God-fearing woman.
She's really proud that she was able to own her own shop. I think that was probably one of her biggest accomplishments. I was so excited when she told me, B, I bought my shop, and I was like, oh, I'm so happy for you.
This honor is all yours. I want you to celebrate the person that you are and allow us to celebrate you because you are truly one of the best stylists here in Tallahassee.